How to enable Google AI mode on your device? Here's a step-by-step guide. First thing first, open Google on your device. Next, try searching for anything in the search bar. For example, type latest AI tools and search for it. As you will notice, there is no AI mode option. That's because Google AI features are currently only available in the United States. So to enable this feature, here's what you need to do. Go back to your home screen. Then open any VPN app you trust and set your location to United States. Once your VPN is connected, go back and reopen the Google app. Now in the Google search bar, search for anything and you will see the AI mode option. Simply click on it and the Google AI mode will be enabled on your device. Finally, you can get smart summaries for article and ask complex questions, and that's all. This is how to enable Google AI mode on your device.